So this is a very interesting question. This is something that you probably have asked yourself maybe after you had intercourse or following discussions with friends, arguments, or you heard someone ask that question randomly, right? This question is, how long does sex last? Or how long is the mean intravaginal ejaculatory time? It is important to know that you can't really quantify intercourse in the sense that there are multiple facets to it. You have foreplay, you have the actual intravaginal penetration, as well as afterplay. But in this situation, we are talking about time from intravaginal penetration to ejaculation if we have to have an objective time frame to measure. A study has been done where people were asked to actually measure the amount of time they spent during intercourse. About 500 couples were asked to estimate the amount of time they spent up until ejaculation across different countries. And they were asked to measure themselves over a 4-week period using a stopwatch. This might sound very awkward, but the instructions were that at penile penetration, start the stopwatch and stop the stopwatch at the time of ejaculation. And my concern about this method is that people might not be in the mood to actually be fully involved as they have their mindset on the fact that they're timing the experience, right? So I'm not very sure about how objective the results were, but that's the best we have available. So what were the findings? The findings were that there was a huge variation with the results, from a range of 33 seconds to 44 minutes, with a median of 5.4 minutes. So an average amount of time was 5.4 minutes. And also some interesting things were noted during the study. Duration of intercourse was independent of condom use and also circumcision. So condom use did not affect the duration, as well as circumcision also did not affect the duration of intercourse. It is also important to know that this study pretty much only involved penile vaginal intercourse. As we all know, it does not always have to involve a penis and a vagina for intercourse to happen. So in other instances, this time frame will not be valid. So I believe we'll need more time and research to determine the average duration of time for all the other various forms of intercourse. So from my standpoint, I believe that the goal should not be more of how long does it last, but more of did you gain pleasure and were you satisfied with the experience. But there are certain conditions that can interfere with your ability to maintain an erection, get an erection, and actually have intercourse. If you're someone that has questions or concerns regarding an inability to get an erection, maintain an erection, or have intercourse, then you should make an appointment with your doctor or healthcare professional to further discuss this, as there are other conditions that can interfere with your ability to have intercourse. Finally, we've come to the end of this video. Hopefully it was helpful. It was pretty short and brief, but it was meant to answer the question of how long sex lasts. I am the WizDoc. I'm a board-certified family medicine physician, and we'll talk about a host of topics ranging from sexual health, reproductive health, women's health, preventive medicine, as well as a whole host of medical topics. If you like what you heard today, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for future videos. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, stay hydrated. I'm the WizDoc. Bye.